Hey guys, Haz here at Shield Canine. Luna is a puppy from our breeding program. She's currently going through one of our puppy training packages. Check out our puppy training packages. Feel free to visit our dog sales website, shieldcaninedogs.com. So Luna was sold at approximately 8-9 weeks of age. However, her owner elected to leave her with us so that she could get some professional training before she actually goes to live with him. Let's talk a little bit about these puppy training packages. At this age, there are some really important things that need to happen with a puppy. Number one, house training. Number two, basic socialization. And number three, introduction to obedience in a positive and motivational way. There's also some basic self-control that the puppy needs to have. So the puppy needs to be able to have no problem in the crate. So this is the crate command. Puppy must go in the crate and wait in the crate. Break her. Good, reward, and then send her back. Good girl. The place command, where she's able to stay on a bed and not leave the bed even under distraction. So at this age, it's really important to create a lot of motivation and a positive experience for the puppy into learning. We want them to know that learning is fun. Of course, there must be a little bit of discipline just so that the puppy can have a balanced upbringing. So as you can see, the puppy is learning to be in basic positions. She's learning to hold those positions, to wait for the reward, and to, exhibit a little bit of self-control. The great thing too about puppy training that we offer is that the dog actually goes and lives with the professional trainer in her home. So it's not just basic obedience, it's living in the trainer's home and undergoes the socialization and the exposure that all young puppies should have, but with the guidance of a professional trainer. Another thing that we focus on a lot with the puppies when they're in training here with us is leash walking. Obviously, the puppy's going to spend a considerable amount of time with her new family on the leash, so it's really important that she learns good, healthy behavior on the leash, learns that it's no big deal. A lot of puppies really struggle with the leash walking. It's not something, again, that comes naturally. What we do is we expose the puppy to being on the leash a lot. We show her the desired behavior on the leash, and we make it much of a positive experience for the puppy as is possible, and we promote a lot of healthy and correct behavior on the leash. Good. Very good.